Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you the perfect gift. This 6 set of bowls are adorable. Not only are they unique, but I want to show you how the color varies outside and in the inside. They're the perfect size, as you can see. You can use them for oatmeal, for any snacks, for your guests. They're just super practical and I love them because it allows me to be conscientious of my portion control. Look, I want to show you, the material is porcelain, very nice, very elegant, very unique. I want you to see the design. They are perfect, they're adorable, so unique, right? This has been a wonderful gift. And I know that if you give this to somebody, they're gonna love it as well. And this is just my point of view.